Hello, welcome to Science Chomp. Today we're going to be talking about the cardiovascular system, otherwise known as the circulatory system. Bear in mind this is a big topic, so we're going to split it up into much smaller little chunks so it's much easier to digest. So let's start off with the basics. What does a cardiovascular system do? Well, what it does is it transports blood around the body. The blood itself has several functions, and I'm going to cover that in a separate video. So the functions, or rather the components of the cardiovascular system are these. You've got the heart, the three blood vessels, the arteries, the veins, and the capillaries, and finally we've got the blood. So this should be quite easy to remember. Think of it as three bits: the heart, the blood vessels, and the blood itself, okay? And then, of course, if you're going to expand the blood vessels, we've got those. Now, you have to be familiar with the structure of the heart because that's going to come in handy when we look at the different types of circulation. So here's an image of the heart. As you can see, we've got two compartments at the top. This is the right atrium and the left atrium. And at the bottom, we've got the ventricles, the right ventricle and the left ventricle. Now notice the wall surrounding the left ventricle is much thicker than the wall surrounding the right ventricle. And this is because the left side is pumping blood to the rest of the body system, whereas the right hand side only pumps to the lungs. Okay? Now back to this. I'm just going to do a very quick overview of the difference between these. And in a separate video, I'll do a more in-depth look. So arteries, these carry blood away from the heart. You remember that because it begins with A, away from the heart. Veins, these contain valves which prevent blood from going the other way, and V for valve. And this carries blood to the heart. So away from the heart to the heart. And then capillaries carry blood to the cells. And this is why it begins with C. Capillary, C, cells, C. Okay? Very simple. Okay, that's it. That's all I'm going to talk about for this particular video, and I'll continue in another one. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.